thinking it'll be okay. Sneezes a lot. Reading instructions a no.
Now what?
No, you need to put it up your nose. The one opposite the nose piercing, this one.
I can't, I've got a sore in that nose.
Okay, well, you're going to have to do the other one. But don't touch the nose piercing.
Now what?
You need to twist it 10 times, I said.
I can't do any more. Corinne, don't take the piss now. What do I do?
Oh. Fix that.
That is an actual miracle. Not even lying, when I do the nose, I usually sneeze at least 10 times minimum. I only sneeze once.
Go sneeze. Excuse me. I'm crying.
It's almost down to zero now, and then is that what you to it?
Yeah, no, he looks awful.
Is he?
It's just aged so much. I don't believe it.
To the left 5 times, and then your other nostril. She just sneezed.
Sorry. Oh, back in here?
Mm-hmm.
God. That's what I'm usually like after mine.
Was made to show and prove that positivity is not about being soft, it's about being smart.
That's a good that you haven't yet. That's so Richie. Why'd your eyes go like that? That's so Richie on my nose. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Just one more little swirls.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. That's a Richie. I bet the worst person to ever do this.
That's what I'm usually like after mine.
Was made to show and prove that positivity.
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Just hack it, man.
Okay, okay.
Don't move.
Okay.
Even if it hurts a little bit.
Ow, 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 ow,
Sim. It's nearly there. 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 It's nearly there, man. It's nearly there. Sim, man. Sim. Stay. Don't move back. Just hack it. Sim. Oh my god, no, it doesn't. If Howard could do this, yeah, you can do this.
Take out my nose.
Howard could hack this. Sim, man.
Thank you. Now for the fun bit.
Just like a sauna, only thing I'm gonna catch today is some clout. If you don't come with this book, what you got, I'm gonna bounce. I'ma get out of this house, stick around quietly. Oh god. It's gone viral, we put up blow. Today I saw somebody shopping in gloves. They out of TV, I'ma have to use gloves. Seriously, why is all the toilet paper sold out? What the heck? Why? Okay. Unless you are already decently ill, I'm pretty sure that you'll be fine and just heal, so relax. Hey, don't get corona. Hey, don't get corona, no, don't get corona. Hey, don't get corona, don't get corona, no. And if you do, it's not that big a deal, unless you are already decently ill. I'm pretty sure that you'll be fine and just heal, so relax and stay calm and always keep it real. I'ma wash my hands, cause I don't wanna be a Ghana. No, we get it heated, just like a sauna. The only thing I'm gonna catch today is some clout. If you don't come with this book, but you open it up and a bounce. I'ma get out of this house, sneak around quietly, just like a mouse.
Oh, baby, cry.
I am not really scared of this, though. The video's gone viral.
To koniec. Kurwa. Au! I po wszystkim. Ja dziękuję bardzo. Korzystę, do widzenia. Tobie też. Kurwa! Kurwa!